Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about JD. We're currently trading at 77.58, end of the day down around almost 4% from Thursday's session. Two big red candles in a row. We have to keep an eye on this because we do have earnings coming up here in a couple weeks. So we might be setting up here for an earnings run. Just had to pull back just a little bit more. But the key level here that we did breach today is going to be that 200-day moving average, and that's currently trading right at 79.23. So that whole area right in there, the 200-day moving average at 38.2 fib on the daily chart, big levels of support for us in the past. We actually breached that today, so therefore they are now going to be our next areas of resistance. That whole area there, basically from your 50-day moving average into your 9-day EMA. So that's 78 up to those 80s. That whole $2 area right there, big area of resistance for us going forward. But if we can get back above that, what are we going to be looking at? Well, it's going to be the high that we printed in here on Thursday, that $83 level. And then above that, it is going to be that 50-day or 50% fib level up here at the 85s. Now, support-wise, what are we going to be looking at? Well, there's really not a whole lot of anything here from the 77.58s where we're currently trading at to this 23.6 fib level down here, right around those 72.80s, 72.70s. So we might have a little hiccup here right around those 76s, but really not a whole lot of anything. So that's going to be our main area of support if we do end up pulling back even further. But we're really going to keep an eye on those 76s to see if we can hold those or not. RSI in here is at 39, stochastics 19, both relatively over sold. So that is good news here. We do have earnings coming up here in a couple weeks. This might have set us up for a nice earnings run. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So that is good. We could be setting up for something here. It's all relative. We have to kind of examine the IV in here and see what we're getting in the next couple days, so we can really confirm if we are going to start setting up for a nice earnings run. IV rank in here is at 61, so you have tons of IV in here. Lots of volume, can kind of do whatever you want in here. November monthlies are pricing in right around a $6 expected move. That's containing your earnings report. Your earnings report is going to be November 18th pre-market. So that November monthlies expiration cycle, that's going to contain your earnings report. All your IV is trapped in there. If you go out to December monthlies, it looks like everybody's pricing in right around $8 of an expected move in there. So you have large IV in here, can kind of do whatever you want. But still stay safe out here. Watch that big area that we're currently talking about here, that 78 to that $80 level, all wrapped around that 38.2 fib level in here. Big area of resistance / support. And then if we do end up going down further from where we're currently trading and we get below those 76s, you're going to be all the way down here at this 23.8 fib level, which is going to be right around those 72.80, 72.70 areas. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.